Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mgrok token. Ticker symbol is Mgrok. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Mgrok token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Mgrok token. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, it says 43 holders so far. So not a lot of holders so far. Very brand new token here. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 6,800,000,000 Mgrok tokens. Now, it says here that Mgrok is a meme coin on Ethereum. Mgrok will be able to leverage real-time data and have far-reaching impact, as it will have a direct integration on and will be built into new Tesla models and can also be used outside of these environments. So they're saying it can be built into new Tesla models, or, hopefully, potentially it will be able to in the future, but we'll see. So that's what they're claiming anyways. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 21st, 8 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Mgrok, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram is doing insanely well here. You can find it at Mgrok_ERC20. They have 49,963 members, almost 50,000 Telegram members. It says, in Mgrok we trust. Mgrok is establishing a community of Grok AI enthusiasts who want to save the world and love making memes while doing it. So check out their Telegram there. Lots of followers there. And their Twitter's doing very well too. I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here. Just joined in July 2023. 22,500 Twitter followers. They have a link to their webpage on the Twitter. You can find right there. Mgroktoken.com. Blue verified checkmark. 87 tweets so far. And then their pinned tweet here, their newest tweet, it might be changed by the time you go check out the Twitter, but right now it is the new Mexc Global listing. So, and then they have lots of announcements about Mexc underneath that as well. And of course, there's going to be lots of memes on their socials as well. It's right in the name of the token, Mgrok. Now, if you go to their webpage, mgroktoken.com, you can find buying info, tokenomics, their socials. You can copy the contract address, all sorts of stuff here. So this token could be available off Uniswap either now or tomorrow. So you could get it off Uniswap. It looks like eventually too it's going to be listed on LBANK, Gate, Bitmart, Poloniex, HTX, BitGet. There's so many of them on here. And yeah, LBANK, Gate, like they don't even have Mexc Global listing on here, so they're getting tons of listings. tons and tons of listings here. So, yeah, it's about AI enthusiasts who love Grok, who love memes. There's articles here talking about their new listings. You can see all sorts of different articles. One's by CoinDesk, another one from HTX, another one from KuCoin. So they're building the best memeable community together with Elon Musk's Grok AI. All we do is Grok, and more Grok. It says the Vault. They have a thing called the Vault on their webpage, and it's a bunch of different memes that are made by the community that all most of them have to do with Grok. Like there's Brock Lesnar, and it just says Grok Lesnar and stuff like that. You know, memes. Lots of memes on their webpage. So, Elon Musk took to unveil Grok, the latest masterpiece from xAI. Mgrok was created as the direct competitor to ChatGPT, which many believe is a politically leaning platform attempting to destroy humanity. Mgrok will be able to leverage real-time data and have far-reaching impact, as it will have a direct integration on and will be built into new Tesla models. So they're talking about basically the real Grok is going to be built into new Tesla models is what they're saying, not specifically this tokens project. That's what they're getting at. Sometimes token pages will do that when they talk about Grok or AI or whatever else. They might talk about how great their token is, but maybe they're talking just about how Binance Smart Chain works really well, and it really has nothing to do with their specific token. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at web pages. So it says it can also be used outside of Tesla models, also in other environments. So they're talking about Grok. Now, token allocation, though, specifically for this token, we got 10% of the tokens going to the community, 5% team, 30% marketing, 30% liquidity pool, 20% reserve, 10% community. Total market cap, it says $91 million. They've burned 303 million tokens already. And yeah, total supply, it says 6.9 billion, and circulating supply 6.6 billion. So, big disclaimer, of course, at the bottom of their webpage. It says, Mgrok represents a new frontier in controversial artificial intelligence technology, offering a bite of humor along with unparalleled intelligence. Now, it looks like you can click on Learn More on their webpage, which does nothing right now, but maybe in the future that will do more. But they don't really have a specific roadmap on here. They talk about basically in the token distribution, you know, like what they're going to do with marketing efforts and things like that. But that's about it. Mainly just a meme token, just promoting Grok, the actual Grok from Elon Musk and xAI. But what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Leave a comment down there. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.